Well, hello YouTube and welcome to a cold Sweden. As you can see, it's not so warm here in my garage, but the heater is on. Soon it will be very cozy here, and it's time for me to continue with servicing my FJR 1300. Today it's time for the oil change in the drive shaft, and it's very easy. I will show you. You can certainly do this by yourself. So stay tuned. Let's do it. Well, this is a very simple and straightforward job. We have two bolts, one drain bolt and one bolt where we are going to fill our oil. And I like to start with this one because if I can get this open, I know that I can fill the oil. Both of these are 17 millimeters. So we just use one of these and crack it open. So let's start and see. Yeah, no problem opening this. Here we have a oil pan and we use this foil and let the oil drain down into the pan. And we want to clean this. So this thing is a magnet and it will take some metal shavings and it will stick to this one. This looks really good. We also have a crush washer here, and it might not be so easy to take it off. Take a knife like this and you will get this crush washer off. So don't forget to change this one. Like this. And this one is ready to go. Same thing here. It's very hard. I don't know if you see. It's very hard to get this one off. Take a small knife or something. And you see how easy it is. And a crush washer. All right, and now we are gently gonna clean this thing. Now we're going to put this bolt back. I will put on the screen the right torque number for this bolt and this bolt. So, what oil are you going to have in your drive shaft? Well, I use this Yamalube, the genuine Yamaha thing. It's very expensive. It's about 30 euros for half a liter. It's liquid gold. But the drive shaft will not take very much of this. And the parts number, I will show you that. So let's get cracking then, huh? Okay, so it's time to fill. How much? Well, we are going to fill until it runs over. So this is a very easy job. Take a funnel like this and start with not so much. I'm too old for sitting on the floor like this. Let's put a little bit more here. Yep, it's definitely full, and This is a little bit of waste, of course, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So now we know that we have enough drive shaft oil in the bike. Take a rag here. Great. And now, whoops. Yeah, let's tighten this up. Yep. And I will put the right Newton meters, the torque spec, even for this bolt, on the screen right now. Well, that was the drive shaft oil change, and as you saw, it's very easy. You can do this by yourself. It's a 10-minute job. And the next thing I'm going to do with my bike is to change the brake fluids and also the clutch fluid. So stay tuned on my channel. I will show you how you do that. Now, have a nice day. Bye.